Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Maths. I'm your tutor Sumant PF. So in my hand I have the Rubik cube. So you think that I will solve this? Yes, I will solve this. Before solving this Rubik cube, we must understand what it is actually. So it is a cube actually, and cube is having all sides are equal. So here you can see there are 6 faces as you know. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6. And all these 6 faces, if you'll check it correctly, and all the 6 faces is having the 3 parts, that is first one, the middle one, center. So see here, the first face having the center and all the faces having the center, and the center is not moving. You can check, you can turn this and rotate this and everything you can do, but the centers are not moving, it is remain over only, means you can't move that center. Understood? So this center is fixed. So here blue color center is fixed, here orange color center is fixed, here green color center is fixed, here red color center is fixed, here white, and here we have yellow color. All the centers are fixed and you can check. So second part what we have, that is a corner piece, that is the not corner, the side piece, what we will call that side piece. So if you will check it side piece correctly, this is having two color. The center piece having only one color, and which is not being turn or anything we can do, but the side piece what we have, that is in the middle, that we can rotate it, but you can check that only consist of the 2 color. Here we have green and the red. So similarly over here we have white and the orange, here we have blue and yellow, and here we have green and yellow. Like that we have lots of pieces, so you can check correctly. So this is all about the side pieces. Next very important third part we have, that is the corner piece. The corner piece is having the 3 colors. You see, this is a blue, this is a orange, and this is a white. So it is consist of a 3 color. So here also we have 3 colors, that blue, white and orange, that is red. So like that way we have the pieces, the different types of pieces we have. So here also if you check it correctly, red we have, blue we have, and also we have yellow. So the corner piece consists of 3 colors. This is the main part we have to understand. So you understood, I think. So first one, the center piece, it is consist of only 1 color and it cannot be turned, it will be there only. Understood? So the second one is side pieces, that side pieces can be moved, but it consists of a 2 color, and the corner pieces it consists of a 3 color. So you can learn this. This is the first lesson what we will teach. Understood? So coming to the second part, we have over here, see what we have to solve. So here several members what they will do, they will tell me, sir, we have finished one phase, then we can't do the second phase. Okay, and they are finishing the 2 phases and they are telling that we can't finish the next 4 phases. So there is a method to solve the Rubik cube, any type of Rubik cube. If you want to solve the 3 by 3 we have, here we have 3 by 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So similar 4 by 4 we have, 5 by 5 we have, 6 by 6 we have. So like that we have several. So see here, while solving we need a steps. If you don't know the steps, so it will be difficult. Then you will solve only one phase and rest all the phases will remain as it is. So there are 7 steps for this solving the Rubik cube. So we will learn the first step. So while solving the first step, first one thing you have to remember, for the first step we don't have any formula, directly we have to do the solving the cube. So the arranging the color. So first step, before the first step I will tell you one clearly, this is blue, no, opposite always it will be what? Green. Remember this, opposite of this will be green. And white we have, the opposite will be yellow. And next we have orange, that opposite will be red. That one thing you have to remember. Okay, so let us start. So I will take the white color. So white color I will start with. The first step is we have to use the white color is the center. Yes, so side what we have now, that side we have to make it plus as a white. Here I have to bring the white, here also I have to bring the white, here also I have to bring the white, and here also I have to bring the white. When you are bringing that white color, don't want of the corner color, let it be any color. That corner here you have green, yes, let it be as it is. Yellow we have, no, let it be as it is. Here we have blue, no, let it be as it is. And here we have red, no, let it be as it is. That we will not change, we will only change the center. So here I will bring white, here I will bring white, here I will bring white, here I will bring white. Wait, but starting that, one thing I will clarify you. If you are bringing here white, no, what is the color must match here? Which color it must match here? See here it is a red, no? So here this corner piece what we have, that is side piece what we have, it must consist of white and the red. because here we have white and here we have what, red. So this corner piece must consist of white and red. And coming to this side, here we have white, obviously. So what color we have here? That is blue color we have. So what color you have to come here, how to bring it here? That is white and the blue. That is the first step. So next one is here is the white and here is the orange. So which color I have to bring here? That is white and orange color I have to bring. The next one is here white and here green. So in this side I have to bring white here and green over here. That is the first step. So let us solve how to bring. So we will find the side piece which is having the white color. So we have to search. So not the corner, the side. Okay. So here we don't have. Okay. Here we have white and green. So white and green. And see one side what will happen like this. I will turn that because it will be easy for me. So here white have to keep it up always. And the white and green is over here. Yes. So here we have green. So we have to check where is the green, the center piece. So I will turn this, otherwise okay. Now you can understand. So here we have white and here we have green. So white we can bring it on this side up. But before that we have to check where is the green center. So green center is here and green is over here. Understood? That white, let it be here only. So here we have to match this white green. No, that first we have to match the green and green. So if I will turn up, 1 second, you see. Okay, here you can see the green will match and the white will remain here. So green is we have matched, this not this green. Okay, so these two greens we have matched. So what we can do, this white I can bring it up now. So now you just see white we brought and here we have green. Don't want the other pieces, we don't want the white we have and here we have green. This is the first step. So white, green. So next only again we will go for the next one. That is white and which one we have to see, white and red we have. So first white is on the top, let it be. First we have to arrange the red color. So red color, where the center piece, where the center of the red. Okay, here we have the center red. So white is over here. So what we will do, we can turn any type. This don't turn like this way because it will already we have arranged this. Yes, again don't remove that. So we have to arrange that red, white and red color such a way that we have to bring on the other side, anywhere other side like this way also you can turn, and we have to make it such a way that that red and red color we have to match. So red color is here, so I have to bring here means use your brain just to turn this like this way you can turn and take it up. So here first we have to match this red and red. So here now you see red and red is matched, the white is over here, so I can bring this white on the top. Let it be the corner piece, anything. So I will change that corner pieces. So see, first step is white and green you have to bring, and here we brought that white and red and red. This is the first step. Similarly over here now corner piece. So here we have to bring the white. Here white we have, here we have blue. So white to blue center piece, that is the side piece we have to say okay white to blue is here. So already it is set. Already blue is set. The white have to bring it up that much. So if it is not set, make arrangement. So if you think blue is over here, so we have to match. So turn this. So blue is matched and white is here. So take it up. Okay. So now you can see white. Here we have red. Here we have green, and here we have blue. So only last step. This is most important step. Why it is most important step? I will tell you, because while doing this, one of this white piece will change its face. Okay, it will not be here, somewhere. Afterwards we can bring it. So understand this step. So what we have to do here, the last white and the orange, white and orange we have to search. Where is the side? Okay, white and orange is here. So see here, when I will rotate it, if I rotate like this way also, this piece will go, this arrangement will go. If I rotate this orange white, I have to remove from here. So if I rotate like this also, this white and red color it will move. So let it be any one color, we can change it, afterwards we can rearrange it. So what we will do, this blue color we know that we will change. So what I will do, that I will bring it down. This, see here, this white orange is over here, so I will bring it down. Okay. So it changed here, the white and blue is changed, let it be as it is. Now you rotate this on the right or left. As for your orange, where is the orange? Here you have oranges, orange is here. So we have that change, so it was like this way. I brought it down. So white, orange is here. We will not change this now again. So I will rotate the bottom. So now you can see orange is mixed and white is here. This already I have told that the blue color came down, the white and blue came down, let it be. Orange, white. So I have to bring this white here. So I will rotate this. So see, orange, orange, white, 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 corner piece don't want, we want to bring the blue back, so I have turned like this way that time, no, so I will take it up. So now is the first step is finished. What the first step? White plus we have done, and here we have orange and orange, don't want the corner piece, green and green, red and red, and blue and blue. This is our first step. So those who have a doubt, no, those who have a doubt, you can put it the comment on the down, and you can ask me afterwards. I will tell you, otherwise you can rewind this video and again you can check. The first step doesn't have any formula we don't have, so we have to follow the steps that we have to bring the white and this color as it is. See here what will happen actually. So you need a lot of practice to solve this. So you have done quickly, we can't get the solving that easily, the plus we can't do quickly, you may ask. So you need the practice. So within one day, I think it is not possible. You have to try, then it is possible. 10 times if you will do, you can come to know how to make this white, and here orange, green, red, and blue. See here one more thing. I have to take here white. You can take any other color also, but the procedure must be same. So any other color also you can take, but remember. So if you are doubt, rewind this and you just to check. Let's just move the second. The second step is very important. The corner piece, the white have to keep it up, and now we have to change this corner pieces. The corner piece what we have, can see now, these 4 corner pieces that we have to change. How to change that? That is the most important. So what is that? Here it must consist of what? That time only side pieces we are having the 2 colors, no? But the corner piece is having the 3 colors. So most important. So this corner piece must consist of white here. Then here the center is very important because center will not move. So here we have blue. So this is white, this is blue must come, and here it must come the red. Remember, this corner piece must consist of white, blue, and red here. Okay. So similarly over here, which corner piece it must consist? White, that is red, and it must contain green. Means here it must come white, red, and green. Thirdly, again here, if you will consider. So here also same thing, white we must have, so white is here green, and here we must have orange. Similarly here white, orange, and the blue. So this is the most step we have to use. And you can see here white, blue, and orange have to. So here we have white, blue, and orange, but this one we have to reverse, we have to flip this. So how to do that, everything I will tell you. Concentrate here. So we have to check such a way that this piece, which piece must come here, no, that piece must we have to keep it here. So if we have this here, we have to bring white, red, and the green, means here it must consist that same color. So red, white, that is red, white, red, and green must be, which is blue, not possible. So this is okay, this one we will make it. So where is that? White we have, blue, and red we have. So white to blue, red, where it will come to rotate this bottom such a way that we must have the white, red, and blue. So okay, see here, white, blue, and red. Below that I have brought the same piece. So don't bother about this. Don't bother with this corner piece. I am telling the bottom piece. So we need the white, we need the blue, and we need the red. So here we have that white, blue, and red. The white what we have now, that we must keep on the here on the front face. So here this is a white, now you have to bring that piece over here, no? So this corner we have to keep that piece. So here we have white. Okay, that white piece, now what we have to do before starting that, all of you listen. First, see that, check correctly. This must be on the bottom, on the right hand side or left hand side. Let it be afterwards. I will tell you left hand side. Right hand side we have, so right hand side. So it is right hand side, means this 2 piece. What we have now, last this 2, back side 2, that we have to turn. This is on the right hand side, right side of yours, not left. So right side. So we have to turn this 2 on the back side, 2 on the right side. Understood? We have to turn the back 2 on the left side, and this one I have to bring it up now. Okay, I have to bring this side, right side, on the up, and back again the 2 I have taken on the left hand side. Now I have to bring the both the back side, we have to bring out the again on the right hand side. Just to check now, this piece is fixed. White we have, red we have, and also we have blue, and all here colors are matching. Blue, 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 red, 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 white, white, white. So this piece is fixed. Now we have to move on to the next piece. These three are left, that three pieces. So again we will check where is the white. Okay, here you see in the corner bottom we have white, red and green. So we have to check where is the white, red and green is. So here we have white. Okay, white, red and green. Here it is. So you have to bring that. This white piece now we have to bring and fix over here. This. Okay. So what we will do? We will keep this up and we will rotate this. Rotate. So when you rotate, you can see I brought that white, okay. Then we have red and the green. So I have brought it down. So what is the step? Same thing. We have to rotate the top back side to on the left hand side because it is in the what? And the right side, no? So we have to rotate this on the left side. We have to bring it up and we rotate it back. So we have fixed once again. See, red, green and white. It is fixed. Okay, exactly fixed. So two pieces are finished. Okay, next we will move on to next. So see here again one more piece is there. So white, orange and green. White, orange and green. See, white, orange and green. So where it will come white, orange and green? White is here, orange is here, green is here. So bring it on the bottom. Now you can see orange, white is here and green is here. So this is the corner. It will must come here. So now what we have is it is on the left hand side. Left side. See here. That time it was here, no? This corner, no? Bottom right. So here now we have bottom left. So what we will do? Same procedure we have to follow. We have to bring it up. But before that you have to keep it as it is. Back side. It is now left hand side. So I have to turn this to last back side to see the front face back side to on the right hand side now. Because the piece is on the left side, so I have to rotate on the right hand side, and this piece I have to bring it up, and back side what you have done now that you have to bring it front. So now you can see green, orange and what we have, the white is fixed. So last only one piece, so it is here. This is the most important. So because it must be here down, no? It must be on the down, but it's on the top. So how to solve this, sir? You may ask. So we have to remove this. We have to remove this from here and we have to make it here. So don't remove like this and don't fix it here. What you have to do over here is now the same procedure you have to follow. It is not on the down. So we have to repeat the steps twice. Repeat the steps twice. So what we will do? Let it be here only, because here last piece it will be here only because white. Okay, white we have, blue here and orange is here. So let it will be here. So what we have to do, the same procedure. It is on the left hand side. So what we will do, back side to on the right side. We will bring it up and is placing the back side again on the other. So it is not fixed. It is not fixed. But now it went to the bottom. See, bottom it won. So just you have to rotate it and place it on the same corner piece. So when you will place it on the same corner piece, same procedure. Here you have white, orange is here and blue is here. So what we'll do, the white must face you. The white must face you. White we have the back side to again on the right hand side. We have to bring it up and we have to place it back. So now the first phase is finished. Not only first phase is finished, you are 25% of the Rubik cube have solved. What is the 25% of the Rubik cube? See here all the white color we have. On this side, if you will check it clearly, orange is the center and this all first row is orange. Here we have blue and all the row is blue, and here we have red and all the row is red, and here we have green and all the rows are green. Again, those who have doubt, again you can ask me in a comment section, but I will solve the next step. The third step is very important. Step 3. What is the step 3? So we have finished the top, we have finished the first on the top side row total is finished. Now we have to move on to this corner. So along with here we have the corner piece. So here we have to change such a way that here what we have, here we have orange and here we have green. So we have to bring here and the orange and the green. Okay, this side piece what we have, that we have to bring it the same color, that orange and green. Similar on this side we have to bring blue and the orange. So here we have to bring the blue and the orange. What are center pieces that we have to bring? Here we have to bring red and the blue. Red and blue is already here, but we have to flip this, means we have to change that. Here it must get red and here must be blue. And similarly over here we have to bring green and the red. Here it must consist. So these are the steps. So let us solve, no? So one by one. So one thing you remember while bringing this, very important is the bottom color. The bottom color is what here? The yellow. So yellow we must not take. So see here, what will happen? See here, what is the color over here? So the side pieces only. So white will be on the top, let it be. So yellow and red we have, that we can't place it in between because yellow is down, no? So we can't take that yellow, any color which is consist of yellow on the bottom color, what we have, that color, that we can't place, means this color we can't place now. And here also this color is not possible, and this color also not possible because it is consist of yellow. But this is possible because it is having green and orange, it is not consisting the yellow color, so green and orange is possible. So we have to bring it, this piece we can shift on the any one side. So we have to rotate the last bottom, what we have now, that is we have to rotate such a way that to get the green color, green and green color you must get. So where is the green color? Okay, here you can see the green and green color is placed. So here we have orange. In second step is, in this third step we have the second one is green and green is mixed, but here we have orange. So just we have to check on the green, right side is orange or the left side is orange. So you can check over here, the green and orange it consists of, yes, the green and orange what we have on the green left hand side is orange. So what we have to do, it is on the left side. So very important, after joining this green and green, let it be this, let it be any color, green and green, this is orange, so we have to check it orange on the left hand side. What we have to do is same thing. So all of you concentrate. So this one have to bottom, only bottom work you know. So this bottom color, left hand side we have orange, so we have to turn it to the right hand side. Bottom we have to turn it to the right hand side. Then this left side what we have now, that we have to bring it down. Understood? We have to bring it down. And this again we have taken on the right hand side and bottom, that we have to bring it on the which side? Left hand side. And this one corner we have to brought it down, now we have to bring it up. So now what happened? So what is the happening? So nothing is matched but one piece is left. So no, don't worry. Understood? This is the step. One on the right hand side means orange color is on this side, means we have to write it on the right hand side. This one we have to bring it down. Again we have to bring this as a left hand side and we have to bring it, place it to the top. Now what happened is this white color piece came here. The previous procedure, step 2, what we have the same procedure we have to continue now. We have to place this in front of you, then this on the right hand side, so I have to bring it to the left side, bring it down, bring it on the right hand side, bring it up. So this is matched, and you can check here this orange and green color is matched. So those who are not understood, again you can go back previous, again rewind for 20 seconds and again you can watch. Okay, now let it be on the bottom, let it be bottom, you can turn anywhere now. So let it be bottom, we are not fixing the bottom, we are fixing this. So orange and green is fixed with the orange and green. See, this piece is fixed. Now we have to bring other 3 sides. So we will check the bottom piece once again. So now once again if you will check correctly, here are yellow and orange, here are green and yellow, here we have yellow and blue, and here we have red and yellow. So what happened now? We don't have any other piece. This piece we can't place because it consists of yellow. So where is the pieces? So all the 3 pieces are already fixed over here, fixed here. Red and green and red and blue and orange and blue are fixed here. So we have to bring this piece down. Okay. Actually it will be here only. Some cases what will happen, already it will be fixed over here. So what you have to do, you have to remove this, yes. So how to remove this, sir? You may ask. The same procedure have to follow. Unwanted piece we have to place this here. So this is unwanted piece, no? So we will place it here by the same method. What you have to do? So we have to turn it to the left, we have to bring it down, and again we have to bring it to the right and take it up. So this is mismatched place, so it is on the left hand side. So what I have to do, on the right hand side you have to turn, you have to bring it down, and you have to bring it up, and you have to turn it down. So white is fixed. That unwanted pieces we have fixed here. Why we have fixed that? So here you can see the blue and orange, it is not consist of yellow, that came down. Okay, that we can rotate like this way anywhere. So what we have to do, the first step, if it is so like this way. So what is we have here? Blue and orange. See here it is, we have that. So blue color, where it will come, that till there we have to turn. So here we have blue and blue, so blue matched. Here we have orange. The orange on the which side? So on the right hand side. We don't have on the left hand side, we have on the right hand side. So the steps are a little bit changed now. See, steps are what we have to do now. Steps, see this orange, the blue is matched, the orange on the right hand side, so we have to turn this bottom on towards the left, reverse we have to do. So understood, it is on the right hand side orange, so we have to turn on the left hand side. This one you have to bring it down, okay, and it must bring it back bottom, and this one you have to bring it up because that time we have brought it down. Is mismatched, so let it be misplaced, let it be. So white is down, so white you have to make it face, so it is on the left side, okay, left side, so we have to turn it to the right side, bring it down and again place it and make it up. So now you can see the orange is fixed with the blue two pieces fixed and here green pieces fixed. Now only left is this two, this one and this one. So what we have to do now? So again on the bottom we have to check bottom, the side face we have to check yellow and orange we have, that is no need because yellow it consists means we can't take. So here you can see red and the green, red and the green, we have red and green. So this one we can place it here. Okay, so how to place? So this red now, so we have to rotate such a way that we must get the red and red. Red and red we got, yes. So here we have green. So we have to see where is the green now. Red, left and right hand side or left hand side. So left hand side we have green. So this is on the bottom. So what we have to do now? It is on the right hand side. Means here we have to place. Here we have to place. So turn this to the right hand side. So right side, bring it down, bring it back on the down and take it up. So it is misplaced now. So this white color again. Step 2 we have to follow this on the right hand side. Turn it. This you have to make it face. You have to make it face. Turn it to the left because it is on the right side now. So I have to turn it to the left. Bring it down. Again place it. Again make it up. So now you can see the green is matched. Red is matched. And here orange is matched. Blue matched. Only one piece is left, that is red and the blue. And it is here only. So we have to flip this. How we can flip this? So this is the one problem we have. So because on the bottom if you will check, no, here it consists of side piece consists of yellow and orange, blue and yellow, and we have red and yellow and green and yellow. So we can't do anything. So we have to flip this. How we have to flip? So any one of these side pieces we have to place it here. Why have to place it here? To remove this from here, we have to have this piece on here. So for that purpose we have to place this on this side. So how to place this in this? The same procedure. So how to place it here, no? So this one I have to, this is not the actual piece, I have to place it here, but I have to place it to remove this. So what I will do, this one I will turn to, this is on the right hand side I have to place, so this one I will turn to the left hand side. Unwanted piece we have to shift, place over there. So I have turned the left hand side, I will bring it down and up, and this one is up. So now you can see this white is mismatched. So I have to, this is on the left hand side, so I have to turn on the right hand side. And when I will turn to the right hand side, this one I have to bring it down because left hand side I have to bring it down. Again place it up and see now what will happen. It is not fixed over here, but that piece we have brought it down. See here where we have here. See red and blue I have brought it down. That time it was here, that I have brought it here. So now I will have to rotate this such a way that I must get red and red. So red and red I got. So this blue piece I have to fix it here. So what I have to do, same procedure. It is on the right hand side. This piece is on the right hand side I have to fix. So this one I have to turn it to the left. This one I have to bring it down. I have to bring it down. And this one I have to turn it right side because that time I took the left hand side, and this one I have to take it up. Then the second step we have to continue. So the white is mismatched, so white is over here, so it is on the left hand side, so I have to rotate to the right hand side, bring it down, get back and bring it back. So our step 3 is finished. What is that? White, blue everywhere, orange everywhere, green everywhere, and red is everywhere. So only you have to make this one. So this is only last thing we have to do. Again we have 4 more steps, and all the 4 steps are very easy. I have to note it down, that 4 steps. Okay, so this is all about the half of the Rubik cube is finished. Coming to the step 4, what is the step 4? So we have already finished the half of the Rubik cube and we have to finish the last bottom. So here very importantly we have to check. So here next white is on the top, no? Then we have to bring the white on the bottom because the bottom part is already finished. So what is the next step? So here we have to bring this as a plus, and accidentally it is plus LO. Okay, so actually it will not come plus LO for each and every time. So what we have to do this as a plus, remember I will show you. It will be sometime like this way, that is a L shape. It will be like a L shape. I'm not changing it, see it. I'm telling that it may be in a shape of a L, or it may be in a shape of last one line. Okay, that will be in a shape of a straight line. So you may have any one type of it, and or it may be in a shape of a single dot. So you may have any one of this. You may have a plus, you may have a yellow L, okay, L shape, or it may be having the a straight line. Okay, but sometime it will be a dot. So when you have a dot means you have to do more. When you have a dot, only one yellow color is here, no? When you have like this way step, the corner we don't want, we have to make only plus. So we have like this way center as a yellow, we have to use the same step again and again to make it plus. Okay, so what is the first step? In this we have to make the next step as L. So how to make that L? So now you can see the dot is on the top. So what you can have to do the step? The first step is you have to see here, this is the first step. In the third step, that is a fourth step, that is you have to keep this yellow on the top now, white is on the bottom, we already know. And this front face, what you have, no, that front face we have to turn it down. Front face, not top face. Front face we have to turn it down. Then we have to bring this on the right hand side, what you have, that you have to take it up. See, that yellow must be on the top only, remember it must face the top only. Then this we have to brought it up. Then this one have to turn it to the left hand side. Then this one I have taken that time up, no, this time I have to bring it down. That time I have taken up, no, this time I have to bring it down. And that's this one I have brought it on the right hand side, now I have to bring it to the left hand side. That time I have rotated to the right hand side face front, now I have to bring it back. Now what happened? So here you can see the L color, L shape we have, the L shape we have, that is most important. Don't consider this two yellows, the corner piece is no need. This we have to make that yellow, that L shape. Okay, now the next step is what? The same step again and again we have to continue till we must get the plus symbol. So what is the next step? So here we have LS. So here we have L means, now very importantly, this L, one must face towards you, one must face towards the right hand side. Right side you have to face. Not like this way we can't keep, because this is facing towards you, but this is facing towards your left. So you can't take like this way. You have to place it such a way that one is facing towards you, pointing towards you, and one is on the right hand side. The same procedure. So the yellow you have to keep it up. This front what we have, that we have to turn towards the right side. This one we have to bring it up, and this one we have to bring it to the right hand side top. And that time we have brought it up, no, this time we have to bring it down, and that time I have to take it to the right hand side. So now I have to take it to the left. That time I rotate to the right, so I have to rotate back to the left. Now you can check, don't see the corner piece, this is now straight line. The straight line we got. So when we have a straight line, the same procedure we have to follow, but no, don't keep it like this way. Now you have to keep it such a way that one is towards the right side it must place, and one towards the left side it must place. Okay, this yellow, let it be anything, don't worry about that. Now on the right hand side, on this left hand side, so we have to continue the same step. So rotate down to the right hand side, take it up, take it to the right hand side, bring it down, because that time I have to take it up, bring it down, place it to the right again, and this one you have to place it to the this. So step 4 is finished. That we have to bring this plus. We have brought it plus, and one more thing I will tell you, this will not match. So it is matching over here, let it be, but it will not match here. That yellow and orange it must be, but it is yellow and red. That will not match. Understood? That don't think about that is matching. So here green and yellow is matching. Here we have yellow and orange. This is not matching. Let it be anything. So we have to make it as a plus only. No need for this colors must match over here. Okay, this is our step 4. If you have a doubt, rewind this and check it once again. Coming to the 6th step. What is the 6th step? 6th step is very important, because if we do 6 steps, the 7th step what we have, that we can finish it faster, because only 2 steps is left now. Last 2 steps we have. So make it understand this all the steps, okay? Because when you will understand all the steps, then only it is possible to solve very easily, very fastly. So practice it several times. Each step you have to practice several times, okay? So now what is the thing? So here we have already done the plus. So here we have to bring this red color, we have to change to orange, because here we have orange, because we have to bring it yellow, yellow, orange, orange. So these pieces we have to place. So here already placed, but it will have to remove that, because it will not be easy to do that. So yellow, and here you have to bring red, and yellow and green already placed, okay? So we will not see the corner pieces. So what is the step? Step is very easy. Step what we have done in a previous way, similar steps we have to use over here. So which is already finished, already done, no, that you have to keep it on the front. So rotate it now, because here these two are not matched and these two are matched, so make it one as front for view. So on the right hand side we have to turn now. Right hand side, rotate it twice, okay? The top we have to rotate twice. So see here what I have done. I have brought it up, rotate it twice. I have take it up now, I have to bring it down, rotate it once, again take it up, again rotate it once, and bring it down, okay? So this is the one time we have done. What happened? The red placed here, and yellow is over here. Here you can see yellow is correct and red is placed, but here it is two colors is mismatched. That time it was here and here, yes? Now it is on the same side. Like this way we must have. On the same side we must have. Understood? On the same corner, adjacent two things we must have the same color. Here we have one is on the right side, one is on the left side. Let it be as it is. That will not make any change. We have to keep it such a way that this adjacent two sides must be matched. So red, yellow, green, yellow. So these two we have to arrange. Now what is the step? So now you remember which is already set now, that we have to keep on the left side, and one is on the back side, okay? So yellow is on the front, so this is not matched, here also not matched. So next step, what is the next step? The next step is very easy. This I have told. Here we have red and blue is already done, and here we have the green and orange. You have to make it arrangement. Here must get orange and here must get the green. The same procedure we will continue. So what is the procedure? So which is already set, that you have to keep on the back side and one on the left hand side. The front and the side must, right hand side must have the not placed unknown, that we have what we have done, that we have to keep, that is not placed now, that we have to keep. Now the same step. So keep that yellow always on the top. So you have to turn the right hand side up, rotate the top twice, bring it the right hand side down, place this on the left, the top how to place it on the left, and this one right hand side again bring it to the top. This one top what you have, that you have to place it to the right, and this one we have to bring it down, and lastly the rotating the top once. So make it slow video and check it 2 to 3 times. The steps you can understand very easily. Now what we have done? We have done not only plus, that is already done. The corner let it be anything. So here we have placed the green, orange, blue, and red. The corner let it be anything. The corner may be having the other colors also, let it be. But we have done the plus and we have matched this color as it is. So this is our 6th step, and last 2 steps we have, that we will finish it quickly. So all of you listen, it is a step we have now, very important step. Why it is important? Listen here. Here now what the step we are going to have is, we have to see, we have to arrange this, the corner what we have, that we have to arrange, okay? Now till now what we have done is everything what is left, no need for that we have arranged. Means the bottom we have arranged, but top we have to arrange. In that top we have to arrange, means this corner piece we have to arrange. The corner piece is consist of the corner piece means 3 colors, you know. Yellow we have, here we have red, and here we have green. So it must contain the yellow, red and green, okay? So let it be shuffle, but we have to bring that. So here also same thing, yellow, red and blue. So already you see, yellow we have, red we have, blue is there. So it is correct, this piece is correct. Why it is correct? It is not as misplaced, means what shuffle we have to do here. Yellow must come here, red must come here, blue must come here. Only we have to rotate this. So understood? This is very important. Like this we have to bring in this step. So here we have yellow, we have orange, we have green, it must be, but it is blue. So this place you have to remove from here and you have to place it here. So here you have green, yellow, but it is must be a red. So it must be here. So see here, one is already placed and all the others are not placed. So which one is placed? So red, blue and yellow is placed. This one which is placed means yellow is not there, but it is must be here only, not anywhere. We have to rotate it like this way, that much. So which is already properly placed, no, that we have to keep it on the front, means your side, on the right side or the corner, on the your face side, not like this way. How to keep this is already placed correctly, not like this way, because this one is placed correctly. So that one you have to place it towards you and to the right hand side. Now we have to change this color. We have to change. To change this color, what I have to do is we have to use the step. Very easy step. You see, this one you have to turn, this one is turning, and top one you have to turn, that much. So very easy steps I will tell you. So listen here, I have kept the correct one here. Okay, so I have to rotate the left side first. So left turn on the top. So like this way it was. What I have done? I have turned this L. I have to keep it up always. I have turned towards the top, the left side. So I have turned towards the left on the top. So you have to rotate this above on the left only. Understood? So understand, this one I have crossed it up. So I have rotated on the left side only. So now left side is finished. Now right side. So right side of the same step. I have to rotate on the top. This one I have to rotate on the top. And I have placed on the right hand side. So I have to turn this on the right hand side. Okay. So the same step what I have done, that you have to reverse. That I have took this left on the top now. I have to bring the left on the bottom now and turn towards the left only. Understood? And this one I have turned that one on the top that time, first time. So I have to rotate it back to the down and rotate it to the right hand side. Now if you will consider correctly, just to check, the red, blue and yellow, what I have there, no, first time it was here only, it is not changed at all. Red we have, yellow have, blue have, that is matched. So here you can see yellow, orange and blue, it is already matched, but it may be having the corner turned. Okay, that yellow may be here, orange may be here, blue may be here, let it be as it is. So coming to the last step, but before the last step I will tell you, if you have the last step, that what I have done now, if you are not getting that point correctly, so similarly what we have done, that one is one right, rotated like this way, rotated like this way, rotated like this way, rotated like this way, brought it down, brought it down, brought it down. This step we have done once, no, once only we got the answer. Sometime it will not be coming at once. So see here again I will tell you. So this anyone is placed over here, no, this one is placed correct. So you have kept it front. So once again I am telling that. So rotate it up. So if you have like this situation, one is set and others three are not set, so keep it up. At once only you are not getting, 2-3 times you might have done that, then you are going to get that. So whatever to do, this one you have to up, this one you have to bring it on the right, up, right, bring it to the right, because we have turned the right side. So now the left side we have to do, that time we have taken to the up, now we have to bring it down, and to the left only, we have to bring it down, and to the right only. So now you can check it is exactly match or what. See here, once again I have told you, it will not match sometimes. So it is only one thing is matched and others are not matched. So this is the thing I wanted to tell you. So sometime it will not be matched, so you have to do the same step procedure, same again. Orange is here, red is here, yellow is here, that is already set. This are not set. So what you have to do, we have to use the same procedure. We have to keep on the front of you and rotate the same thing. Left side up, rotate to the left, right side up, rotate to the right, left side down, rotate to the left, and right side down and rotate to the right. Now you can check yellow, orange and green, red, green and yellow, and this set and this one is set. So this is the thing you must have. This may be misplaced, this may be rotated, shuffled over here, let it be like this way, it may be here. We have to check that. Coming to the last step. This is all about the one step previous, coming to the last step. What is the last step? Last step is very important. See here are lengthy process you have, lengthy step you have, lots of things you have to do. You have to be quick enough. Those who have not understand this, no, once again repeat this and understand it. So the last step, when you are doing the same procedure, so we have to match this. See, we have to bring this yellow up, orange, blue on this side and red on this side. So similarly we have to do that. But these two corners are already matched. So one corner I have to take it to the right hand side on the bottom. Okay, what I have done previously, that same thing we have to use. The right hand side on the bottom we have to keep, let it be on this side. So we have to rotate, say, do the same step again and again. Okay, which step I will tell you now. The step we have to do again and again. So this is already done. Okay, this one I can keep it up. This one I can't keep because it is not already matched. So this one I can keep it because it is already placed correctly. So place it any one place that is placed correctly. If it is sometime all the four will not be matched, that time you can keep it anywhere. So this is already matched, so I will keep it on the front side, on the right hand side. So what I will do the step, you have to glance clearly. I will take this left. Okay, this is the big steps we have. This one you have to practice for lots of time to understand it. So repeat this video again and again and you can understand this step. Okay, so this left side I have to bring it up. See, the left side I am talking about. This one I have to, once again I'm doing this one, I have to bring it up. This top we have to rotate it twice. Then left side only we have to bring it down. And this again top we have to rotate it once. And this left side we have to take it up. And this top once again you have to rotate to the left side. And this left you have to bring it down. This is the half of the last step. The same thing what I have done on the left hand side, that we have to do on the right hand side now. So same thing, right side on the top, we have to rotate it twice. We have to bring the right hand side down. We have to rotate it back towards the right. And this one we have to bring it up now. That time I have taken down now. We have to take it to the up now. We have to rotate to the right hand side. And this one I have to bring it down. So this is the procedure. When we will do like this way, you can see over here, that time it was a same place now, that will remove now. So we have only one matching place. Sometime you will get like this way. So what will happen? Only one is placed and other three are not placed, but colors are same. Okay, but colors are same, but it is not placed correctly. So this is the thing I need. The same step you have to continue. Once again, those are not understood, the step once again you check. First we have to do on the left side, and then you have to go over the right hand side. Same steps we have to follow. So first the place which one I have placed now already, that you have to keep it on the reverse view on the right side. So steps are easy. Note it down if you want. So note it down, or you can make it reverse and you can learn. Left side we have to concentrate. Left side and the top on the we have to rotate. So yellow you have to keep it always up. So left side you have to take it up. You have to rotate the top twice. You have to take on the left side up now. Now you have to take the left side one bottom. And you have to place this on the right side only. Remember that. I have taken down now that time. Now I have to take it up once again. And I have to rotate towards the left side. And bring it this one down. Left on the down. So you can see it is correctly matched. So now that same step I have to follow on the right hand side. Right hand side up. Rotate this up twice. On the left hand side or right hand side it will be same. Then you have to bring this right side down. So when I am bringing the right side down means this up I have to bring it to the right hand side. And now I have taken the down. No? Now I have to take it up. Again I have to bring it to the right hand side. Then I have to turn it back. So if you will do this step, you can see here these two colors are matched. So only last few steps are remaining. The same step again and again you have to repeat, and you must get the correct answer. This now corners are already set. Yellow, red, yellow, red, blue and yellow, and here you are green, yellow and red already matched. Only these two pieces have to match. That time what I have to do? We have to continue same step, same thing. On the right hand side we have to keep the those which is already placed, and the which is not placed on the left hand side we have to keep. And some procedure we have to follow. The yellow you have to keep it up, and this one on the right hand side now. So one is front, one is back, let it be. So now this one step we have to continue. So left side top twice, bottom, left side up, left, down. Okay, on the right hand side same thing. Up twice, down, right hand side, up, right hand side, down. So here you can see the same thing we got, that already matched the right hand side. Now the last step is only one step. Once again we have to repeat the step, and totally we are going to get the answer. The same step I have to once again we have to repeat. Okay, because now it is already fixed. And last step again, left up twice, down, left, up, left, down. Right, twice, down, right, up, right, and this is your cube, and already you have solved it. This is the simplest part to solve this. So this is all, everywhere you can see already the cube is already solved. And you can see, if you have any doubt, again rewind this and you can check, or you can write it in a comment section. I will explain you how to solve this once again. So this is all about today's class, that is how to solve the Rubik cube very easily. Please like, subscribe and share my channel how much as possible, and check it several times, because if you have to understand and practice it within one day, you can't. If you practice daily, one step you have to practice. Once you don't do that all 7 steps what we have, so solve one by one and you can understand how to solve this. Okay, this is all about today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. How much is possible you can share, and you can support me by clicking the like button. Thank you for watching. PSM, Perfect Solution for Math. See you in my next video. Till then, take care.